Of all a nation's symbols, none comes close to portraying its strength or weakness as its currency. When a country's legal tender rises, it brings with it prosperity, and when it falls, the center no longer holds. The Naira, Nigeria's currency, has had a checkered existence. From the early days of its introduction, when the nation's economy blossomed on the regional market produce, to the oil boom era, the Naira has shown at times great potentials and at other times a propensity to slump. It has risen and fallen not only in response to economic vagaries but also as a fallout of political adversities. Since the downward movement of global oil prices, Nigeria's legal tender has been hit hard.
Having allowed two adjustments from August 2014 to February 2015, which resulted in the movement from 155 to 197 naira per dollar, we decided to manage the dollar-naira exchange rate at about $1 to 197 naira over the last 16 months, and also decided to allocate the available but limited foreign exchange to meet the following critical needs: matured letters of credit from commercial banks, importation of raw materials, plants and equipment, importation of petroleum products, and payment of school fees, BTA, PTA, and related expenses. The CBN has always maintained that it would continue to monitor situations on the ground and ensure that the bank's policies reflect these facts and developments rather than the sentiments of any group or sectors. It is in the light of this principle that we now believe that the time is right to restore the automatic adjustment mechanisms of the exchange rate with the reintroduction of a flexible interbank exchange rate market.
The volatility expected of a floated currency related to market conditions still exists. Experts are of the opinion that the floating of the currency would not be a magic wand to solve all of Nigeria's economic problems. They say there still remains the challenge of shortage of foreign exchange, which fuels investor shyness. With inflation rising to 12.9% in June and more pressure piling on the Naira, only time will tell if Nigeria's currency will dig deep, reset, and find the strength it needs to attain its once glorious heights.